Hi everyone, welcome back to eGreen Channel. Let's talk about chili. A beloved dish with roots in the American Southwest, has long been a staple of hearty meals. Traditionally, chili conjures up images of simmering pots filled with ground beef, beans, and a symphony of spices. This meaty, flavorful stew has warmed hearts and filled bellies for generations. However, culinary landscapes are ever evolving, embracing diverse diets and preferences. Enter vegan chili, a plant-based twist on the classic that is rapidly gaining popularity. As more people embrace veganism and its many benefits, the demand for delicious and satisfying plant-based alternatives to traditional dishes has skyrocketed. Vegan chili steps onto the scene, offering a flavorful, hearty, and healthy option that rivals its meat-based counterpart. The rise of vegan chili is fueled by a confluence of factors, each contributing to its growing popularity and acceptance. Foremost among these is the growing awareness of the ethical, environmental, and health implications of animal agriculture. People are increasingly concerned about the carbon footprint of meat production, the treatment of animals, and the health risks associated with consuming animal products. As more individuals become conscious of the impact of their food choices, they are turning to plant-based alternatives with increasing enthusiasm. This shift is not just a trend, but a movement towards more sustainable and compassionate eating habits. Vegan chili provides a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy a beloved comfort food while aligning with these values. It offers the same hearty and comforting experience as traditional chili, but without the ethical and environmental concerns. Moreover, the increasing accessibility of plant-based ingredients has made it easier than ever to create delicious and satisfying vegan meals. Supermarkets now stock a wide variety of plant-based products, making it convenient for anyone to try their hand at vegan cooking. Once relegated to specialty health food stores, plant-based meat alternatives, a variety of beans, and an abundance of fresh produce are now readily available in most supermarkets. This shift has made plant-based eating more mainstream and accessible to a broader audience. The availability of fresh, high-quality ingredients has inspired many to explore plant-based cooking. With vibrant vegetables and innovative meat substitutes, the possibilities for creating delicious meals are endless. This accessibility has empowered home cooks to experiment with plant-based cooking, leading to a surge in the popularity of dishes like vegan chili. As more people discover the joys of plant-based eating, vegan chili continues to rise as a favorite, offering a tasty and ethical alternative to traditional recipes. Vegan chili is not only a delicious and satisfying meal, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it offers a wealth of health benefits that make it a wise addition to any diet. Unlike its meat-based counterpart, which can be high in saturated fat and cholesterol, vegan chili is naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy option. Furthermore, the abundance of plant-based ingredients in vegan chili contributes to its impressive nutritional profile. Beans, the cornerstone of many chili recipes, are an excellent source of both protein and fiber, two essential nutrients that play crucial roles in maintaining good health. They are also rich in iron, folate, and potassium, all of which are vital for various bodily functions. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol levels, and promote a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Vegan chili, loaded with beans, vegetables, and often whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, is an excellent source of dietary fiber, providing a significant portion of your daily recommended intake in just one bowl. The high fiber content of vegan chili contributes to its ability to promote satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied long after you finish your meal. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight, as it can help prevent overeating and curb cravings for unhealthy snacks. Section 5. Heart-healthy goodness. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to prioritize heart health through diet and lifestyle choices. Vegan chili, with its naturally cholesterol-free and low saturated fat profile, is a heart-healthy alternative to traditional meat-based chili. The abundance of plant-based ingredients in vegan chili provides a wealth of nutrients that support cardiovascular health. Beans, a staple ingredient in vegan chili, are rich in soluble fiber, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This helps reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, which can lead to heart disease. Section 6. Antioxidant Boost. Antioxidants are compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various chronic diseases. These compounds are found in a variety of foods, particularly in fruits and vegetables, and play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Vegan chili is rich in antioxidants thanks to the abundance of colorful vegetables and spices typically used in its preparation. The vibrant colors of the vegetables are not just for visual appeal, they indicate the presence of different antioxidants that work together to protect your body. Tomatoes, a common ingredient in chili, are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Lycopene is more easily absorbed by the body when tomatoes are cooked, making chili an ideal dish for maximizing this benefit. Spices like chili powder, cumin, and paprika, which give chili its characteristic warmth and depth of flavor, are also potent sources of antioxidants. These spices not only add a burst of flavor but also contribute significantly to the health benefits of the dish. These spices not only enhance the flavor of the dish but also provide a range of health benefits. For instance, chili powder contains capsaicin, which has been shown to boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. For example, cumin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, while paprika is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Including these spices in your diet can help support your immune system and overall well-being. Section 7. Weight Management Wonder. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being. Vegan chili can be a valuable ally in weight management due to its high fiber and protein content, which promote satiety and help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in vegan chili adds bulk to meals, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, the protein in vegan chili helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the rapid spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overconsumption of sugary snacks. When blood sugar levels are stable, you are less likely to experience those energy dips that send you reaching for a quick fix. Section 8. Your easy vegan chili recipe. Today we're diving into a hearty and delicious vegan chili recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just craving a warm, comforting meal, this recipe has got you covered. Let's start with the basics. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 onion, chopped finely to release its sweet, aromatic flavors. Next, chop 1 green bell pepper. This adds a nice crunch and a burst of color to your chili. Don't forget the garlic. Mince 2 cloves of garlic to give your chili that irresistible savory depth. For the spices, measure out 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This will be the backbone of your chili's flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. It brings a warm, earthy note that complements the chili powder perfectly. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika will add a subtle smokiness, enhancing the overall taste. If you like a bit of heat, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Adjust to your preference. You'll also need 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This forms the base of your chili, giving it a rich, tomatoey goodness. Rinse and drain 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans. These beans are hearty and add great texture. Do the same with 1 15-ounce can of black beans. They add a different texture and a slightly different flavor profile. 1 cup of vegetable broth will help to meld all the flavors together and keep the chili from being too thick. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. This will bring out all the flavors in your chili. 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. This is where all the magic will happen. Add the chopped onion and bell pepper to the pot. Cook, stirring occasionally until softened, about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for building the base flavors. 2. Add the minced garlic, chili powder, cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Cook, stirring constantly until fragrant, about 1 minute. This will toast the spices and release their full potential. 3. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, vegetable broth, salt, and pepper. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer uncovered for 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the chili to thicken to the perfect consistency. 4. Serve your chili warm with your favorite toppings. Consider adding avocado slices, fresh cilantro, a dollop of vegan sour cream, or some crunchy tortilla chips. Enjoy your hearty, delicious vegan chili. Section 9. One-pot wonders: convenience and flavor combined. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and one-pot meals like vegan chili reign supreme. With minimal cleanup and maximum flavor, they are a weeknight warrior's dream come true. Simply toss all the ingredients into a single pot, let them simmer to perfection, and voila, a hearty, healthy, and satisfying meal is ready to be devoured. Whether you are a seasoned vegan or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, vegan chili is a versatile and delicious option that is sure to please. So gather your ingredients, embrace the simplicity of one-pot cooking, and treat yourself to a bowl of hearty, healthy, and flavor-packed vegan chili. Created by Said Mustafa, a passionate public health professional and visionary, the eGreen channel is dedicated to sharing essential insights for a healthier, happier life. Subscribe for more fascinating health facts and tips.